Wellford Park is more than a place to live, it's a place to thrive. Here you will find the most square footage at the best price for a 4-bedroom home in Harrisonburg. You'll love living just 8 minutes from James Madison University. This perfectly situated community is just 6 miles from James Madison University and 1 minute to I-81, making commuting for work, class, shopping, and recreation easy. Meet up with friends for happy hour at the Ridgeroom. Visit the family-friendly White Oak Lavender to see small animals and listen to live music, or plan a day at Massanutten Resort filled with activities including snow sports, biking, golf, the water park, and more. Your brand new kitchen includes modern features like granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and LVP flooring, all easy to maintain and designed with you in mind. Choose to invest in yourself when you choose to own a brand new St. Paul townhome at Wellford Park. This stunning design offers a range of 2,100 square feet of living space, including 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The open floor plan makes it easy to have friends over for game night or host a study group. You have plenty of space to even have a roommate. Whether you're buying your first home or building your investment portfolio, Wellford Park makes ownership simple. With a low-maintenance lifestyle and layouts ideal for all stages of life, including having roommates or rentals, these townhomes are as investor-friendly as they are livable. When you own a home, the space is truly yours. You can finally paint the walls without asking your landlord's permission or have a 4-legged best friend. Let's not forget the exterior of your new home. Did you know that when you move into Wellford Park, the grass cutting and yard maintenance will be done for you? This low-maintenance lifestyle gives you more time to do the activities you love. Welcome home to Wellford Park. I'm so excited to show you this incredible community and all it has to offer investors and owners. Schedule your appointment so you can experience it in person.